Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam. How are you, ma'am?
Uh, I am fine. How about you?
I'm also fine.
May I know your name, please?
Yes, my name is Aman Shahbaz. You may call me Aman.
Can you show me your identification, please?
Yes, sure. Here it is.
Okay. What is your first name
My first name is Aman.
and your last name?
My last name is Shahbaz.
How do you spell your name?
Well, I spell like Aimanshahbaz.
What's the meaning of your name?
Meaning of my name is a good woman, good for others.
What is the name of your best friend?
Name of my best friend is Rizwana.
Do you like to spend time with your friends?
Of course, yes. I always like to spend time with my friends whenever I have spare time, because with them I feel relaxed.
Can you tell me something about your hometown?
Yes, I live in Riding, nahi, repeat. Yes, I live in Gujarat. It is a very famous hometown in Punjab. It has many things. The most famous thing is University of Gujarat. Others, it has some industries like fan industries, some foods that are famous in Golgappe
Can
and
you describe
biryani.
your home for me?
Yes, I have a home based on three rooms, one kitchen and one washroom. It also has veranda, and where we spend a lot of time with the family.
What are your future plans?
Well, for short term, my future plan is to go abroad, but for long term, I want to achieve a goal. For long term goals is that I want to be settled in a foreign country.
Which is your favorite city in the world?
The favorite city in the world is Istanbul, because I inspire Turkey and their culture as well.
Where do you want to spend the rest of your life?
Rest of my life, I want to spend rest of my life where I will be settled in future.
Are you married?
Yes,
What is your favorite season?
my favorite season is winter, because I like to enjoy oranges in winter and also the weather, fog and snow, etc.
What is the name of your favorite movie?
Favorite movies change with time, but some favorite movies are New Year and
Which country you have planned to go?
I have planned to go to Sweden,
Why?
because I want to go there with my spouse, and that is the best country where we can achieve our goals easily and comfortably.
Okay. Now you have a cue card and you have 1 minute to write your points. You can write it. Here it is. Describe a time you were friendly to someone you don't like. Start now.
Thanks for asking me such an interesting question. When I was in my school, there was a girl who was very full of herself. She always like to feel others like they are inferior to her. That's why I usually try to avoid her as I could. But 1 month before final exams of our ninth standards, she got accident, due to which she misses lot of classes. When she returned by recovering, she asked a few of us that we can help her classes that she missed her, but no one was going to help her
Describe
because
a
of her.
person who impressed you the most when you were in primary school.
Well, I was very naughty in my childhood, and I don't used to study a lot at home, and spend a lot of my time in sports and video games. So my mother made me to join a home tutor after school. Her name was Samsila. She create my interest in studies. First of all, before meeting her, I always feel study is just a burden, and I always study before exams.
Why do people always miss their childhood?
Well, because childhood is the time when they have no stress and no responsibilities. They know that all the things their parents can done for them.
Are kids happier than adults?
Of course, yes. I think children are more happier than adults because children have much more time to spend with their friends, and also they have spare time to enjoy and relax. As well as adults don't have much time to relax, and they have more responsibilities to
Why
do.
do people still remember many of their friends from primary school?
I think the basic reason is that at that time they have the more time to spend with their friends, and now they have not much time. That's why they remember the friends of their primary school.
What kinds of primary school teachers impress students?
But I think teachers which understand that which type of help a student need is a good teacher in primary school, because some students are good in maths and some are good in English. So she or he need to understand.
Describe an activity that you usually do that wastes your time.
Well, to be honest, I have long list from which I have to choose which activity I want to describe to you that waste my time. But here I would like to talk about playing video games on which I waste lot of my time. The reason behind is that after playing game, I always feel stressed. The main reason of playing game is feeling relaxed, but after playing game, I always feel stressed and uncomfortable.
How do you balance work and life?
Well, balancing work and life is always in process, and we can try every day to balance work and life by giving time to work properly and also our family.
What kind of things make people pressured?
Well, there are different things that make people pressure, like financial obligations, responsibilities, and meeting some deadlines, etc. But I think all these stress come with the stages of life. For example, when you are childhood, you have competition with others, but when you are adult, you need to get job and financial obligations of your
Should
family.
parents make plans for children's?
Well, I feel that parents should make plans for their children, but they have to be, but they need to think that what are the ability of their students, and they don't need they should make the plans that can't achieve their children.
When should children start to make plans for themselves?
I think children start make plans when they started their higher secondary education. Firstly, they have to choose which subject and the field they need to adopt in future.
What things should be planned on a daily basis?
Well, there are different things that should be planned on different basis, like which dress should be wear, what should eat, where to go, and what sort of task to achieve on that day.
How do people make plans?
People make plans differently. Like if they need to relax, they make plans to travel, or other if they are settled, they make plans to get married, etc.
When do young children start to set goals for themselves?
Young children start to set goals for themselves when they select field of in higher secondary education.
Describe a time when you were friendly to someone you didn't like.
Well, there was a time in my childhood where a student of my class who was very eager, and he don't like to talk to anyone. I also don't like to talk with her, but after an accident student, she missed her classes, and she asked some of us to recover her lectures that she missed, but no one was agree to help her.
Why
After
are
listening
people
to,
friendly with the person they don't like?
well, I think that they become friendly with the person they don't like when they need come to know her with any event or a case. That's why they become
What kinds of people are usually friendly?
well. I think every person have a friendly nature, but they are friendly to the person who they know better, and to whom with are their friends, and other people may consider him that they are not friendly.
Now you have a last question. What kind of markets are there in Pakistan?
Well, there are different type of markets in Pakistan, like street markets, malls, big cities, etc. So and also there are some stalls in little streets, etc.
Thank you.